Digital transformation in finance is underway. Fintech startups are using advanced data analytics and user experience to lure members away from their financial institutions. Credit unions are only warehousing data, which has repeatedly resulted in a resource strain and unfulfilled expectations, not a revolution. How can they turn data into powerful insights and improved member experience? Through collaborative analytics. First, trade traditional warehousing for an industry-standard platform, M360, which converts disparate data to a standard definition based on CUFX. Integrating that data and making it accessible within each credit union's secure instance of M360, regardless of the credit union's size or system configuration. Next, let developers access M360's data, transform it into insight, create new applications, or connect current apps to the platform. These apps can then be shared with the community by using the CU App Store. Finally, and most importantly, transaction-level encrypted data from thousands of credit unions flows to and from the Caspian Data Lake. External data like insurance tracking, building permits, social media, and demographic data pour into Caspian as well. As an industry first, benchmarking insights are now available on a daily basis. Data scientists can now feast on volumes of granular, secure data, resulting in predictive analytics and AI far beyond the reach of any single credit union. There is a revolution happening in the credit union movement. Collaborative analytics, powered by OnApproach.